The secret of adjusting the direction of thrust is that each blade can change its angle when rotating. Let's take a look at the mechanism of this propeller. These are propeller blades. Kinematics, the linkages that control each blade's angle. Control rod moves the kinematics. Hydraulic cylinders push or pull the control rod to set blade angles. All of these are inside the rotor casing, which is driven by power from the main engine. The engine turns a bevel gear. The bevel gear drives a sleeve connected to the rotor casing. The whole rotor casing and the blades inside rotate together. This combination of constant rotation plus changing blade angles is what gives the VSP its maneuverability.